In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Notifications. After that, tap on App Notifications at the top. Select All over here and pick the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Now, just click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications, like Google Play Store. In order to turn them back on, click on the same, now gray switcher. You can also just click on one of your apps over here and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!